Hello guys, and welcome to another shoe cleaning video. So for today's video, we're gonna go and clean a Nike Vapormax Flyknit. Let's go. Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So for today's video, we're gonna go and clean a Nike Vapormax, which features a Flyknit material, very stretchable material, cloth-like material from Nike, and a rubberized air sole, full air sole for this Vapormax. So for today's video, we're gonna learn how to properly clean the Flyknit material of Nike and also the outsole, this Air Vapormax outsole, as to not to damage the shoe. It's really important guys to know the materials of the shoe before cleaning it. This one, need to be very extra careful with the upper. Okay, so for today's video, what we're gonna need is a shoe cleaner. We'll need some clean water, microfiber towel. We're using the brush from CLYDE, the soft bristle brush, very important guys for the upper, and we'll use the hard bristle brush on the outsole and the midsole as well. So to start, we're gonna need to put shoe tree on this shoe. The shoe tree will give the shoes more structure. On the midsole, I mean on the toe, that way you'll be able to clean thoroughly on the toe. Let's go ahead and put the other one. There you go. Basically, shoe trees, they prove useful during cleaning, but I really don't recommend it guys, that you use shoe tree in storing your shoes. They will basically deform, stretch that upper. So for storage, I prefer paper inserts. It will also absorb the moisture from the shoe rather than these shoe trees. But these shoe trees we're gonna use for cleaning this shoe. So we're gonna use the shoe cleaner, put a little solution on the brush. So very important guys, not to damage the upper, to use the soft bristle brush, and we're gonna use the hard bristle brush on the sole. It is also very important that to note that some parts of the shoe, you can see the glue has dried up, so this outsole basically has some rubber parts to help on the rigidity of the midsole of this air, and we'll just have to re-glue this back in. Okay, so let's start. Okay guys, so we are done with this right shoe. Now let's compare this side by side. So we just had to use the soft bristle brush. This is a very delicate upper guys, so we need to be careful. And the outsole and the Vapormax midsole looks so much fresher compared from the dirty one, as you can see. So next step, we're gonna go and clean this other shoe, the left shoe, and we'll leave the shoe to dry, and we're gonna go the second part. We're gonna go and fix this separations. Okay. Okay guys, so we are done with the shoe cleaning. The easy part. Now let's go to the hard part, which is the regluing of some separated rubber. So for this right shoe, that's 1, 2, 3. The other side, 1, 2, 3 as well. So for this regluing, we're gonna need a water-based shoe glue. This one I got from Shopee. We're gonna need acetone to clear off that old glue, cotton ball, and for me, I'm using a hair dryer to dry up that adhesive. So let's go ahead and do the second part. Hello guys, we are back and that is it. We are done with this shoe cleaning and minor repair. So as you can see guys, we will leave this glue to dry up and completely cure in about 24 hours, including the shoe to dry as well. So this is a Flyknit material. You might wanna go and put in some paper bags to absorb all the moisture from inside the shoe. Avoid that smell. Okay, so that is it for today guys. So hope you guys learned something new today, and we'll see each other on our next shoe cleaning video. Bye guys.